Hi there, students. Orientation. To orient. There's even a sport, orienteering. Okay, the word orient we very often just use to mean the East compared to Europe, to Asia. So orient is actually a direction on the compass. But to orient or orientation, this is the position of something. To orient, to align relative to the points of the compass. So the orientation of this house is to face the sun. I was lost, so I used the sun to orient myself, to get my bearings, to work out where I was. Okay, so the orientation of something, the position relative to everything else. But we use this word orientation and to orient metaphorically. So a person could have a political orientation. They are politically to the left. They want to help people. Or people may be oriented towards the right. They believe in business and property and ownership. A person could have a sexual orientation. They could be straight, they could be gay, they could be all sorts of other things. So here we're using this orientation to talk about somebody's attitude, somebody's preference, somebody's belief in a certain area. So, for example, teaching English or learning English, I am oriented towards people using English practically. My view of English is less grammar oriented. My orientation is not towards grammar because I think it's very often too difficult to think about it while you're actually speaking. Let's see, sometimes if you go to a new job or a new school or you start to learn a subject, at the beginning you will get orientation. The Americans like this phrase. Orientation is introductory teaching about something new. To put you in the right direction so you know which way to go, more or less, not exactly, so you're not going in the wrong direction. So you could have an orientation about a new course or new surroundings or a new job. It's basic instruction about the position or the way things work so that you then can find your own way. As I said before, we use orientation to talk about the way you see something, the way you think about it. The general direction of your thoughts or your mental attitude towards it. So I think European countries, for example, have a democratic and liberal orientation. They are pointed towards that. That's the general idea of it. Okay, so to orient, orientation, to orient, to put in a relative position. Orientation, the direction that something is pointing. Okay, so notice as well, to orient is a regular verb. Yeah, he oriented me towards the types of thing that would be profitable for me to do. Let's see, to orient, to orientation. What about formality? I think probably both of these words are ever so slightly formal, maybe 6 out of 10. But I think you could definitely use them in an informal situation and use them in a very formal document. So nice flexible words. Okay, so to orient, to put in position relative to everything else. Orientation, your position, your general direction of thoughts, the way you generally see something. Okay, so there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To orient, orientation.